Greetings, greetings. Back to work on my little platformer. So, yeah, I realize I've yet to hook up the button to a level transition, so it's time to do that. I have to recall how I previously did the transition. Let me see. Uh, right, game manager handles the transition. Wait, let me refresh my memory. What did my last level look like? Alright, keys, okay. So I'm keys and portals, right? There we go. Okay, I have to make more levels that revolves around these two mechanics. Okay. There's also a shortage of... There's a missing visual feedback for when I collect all the keys as well. Okay, I have to fix that. But after I'm done with this transition. Okay, looks good. I think I can just reuse this. Can I? Room start. Okay. Yo! Yes, that's right. Isn't that a nice number? It's a short one. I'm just going to do a short one before I sleep. I have to go to school. Go back to school tomorrow, right? At NYP. So this particular week, we have to go back, right? Yeah. 69. How do you find home-based learning so far? Like I really I've learned to like it because I get to sleep a lot more. Oops. It's great. For you, you're doing internship, yeah? Play games for class. Yeah, I know, right? What time do I have to get to school by? Tomorrow is fine. Tomorrow, I'll need to reach school by 2, which is okay. But Tuesday is Tuesday is gonna be terrible, right? It's 8 a.m. My goodness. Alright, you'll be there also, 8 a.m. Oh, you have to reach by 8 a.m. for Monday also. Wow. Good luck to you, man. Wait, which are the days where you have to reach school by 8 a.m.? Yeah. They got lucky, I guess. Fix my doggo. Can I not? I don't want to. I don't want to bring up my camera. Okay, hang on. Let me see if the camera works. Anyways, I'm just going to do a short one. Yeah. Hang on. I'm using my iPad as the camera. Hello, Hannah. I'm just doing a short one. So I don't feel like I've done enough for. I don't feel like I've done enough of game dev today. Monday 8 a.m, Tuesday 8 a.m, Thursday 9 a.m. Oh my god, it's 4 mornings. Yeah, work day tomorrow. Oh man, 9:30. It's nicer to start at like 10 or 11. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna try creating the game manager just for the level transition. Let me see if that works. The way I'm coding this particular game is super hacky, by the way. Yeah. But I'm okay with that. It's just a small project. Yeah. I don't think it can hurt me too much. How many levels have I got? Still the same. 15. 15 levels. One Xingqiu. Yeah, I got 2 on my first row. I don't know how it's like. Let's see. Yeah, I got 2 on my first row. Not entirely sure what that means. 100 levels by the end of the month, by the way. That's not possible from the looks of it. That's not possible, man. It's not possible. I still have to do grading, and I still have to prepare for. I have to prepare the lesson materials, right? Especially the MIP materials, right? Because I'm not super familiar with those. I've never taught those before. Okay, let's see. What was I trying to do again? Title. What am I teaching? Oh, tomorrow I'm more of an assistant, so it's AI. It's AI. It's AI. You know, you do stuff like talk about how to implement a finite state machine. Talk about and eventually talk about how to do concepts like searching through a tree, stuff like what else? Searching through a tree. I think there might be neural network as well. Neural net would be cool. Oh, hello! Thanks for the follow, Frightened Swan. Do I have access to Mr. Tang's Kahoot quiz? I don't know. I don't actually get to make any changes to the quiz, right? I think it's under his account. But I think the link is there. I just never did click on it. Thank you, cute dog. I realize it's not recognizing my face. Hang on. Oh yeah, my face is moving now. You keep making careless mistakes? That's fine. What even is the quiz about anyways? Theory? On AI? Alright, I wanted to do an instance. Where's my creation code for the room? There we go. Yeah, I am wearing headphones and glasses. Wait a second. Oh yeah, this one. This line. Gonna bring it here. Okay. Then I need to do something about the button. Come on, button. There we go. So considering we all have work or school tomorrow, what time do you usually sleep? Oops, it crashed. Blah blah blah. Oh, I'm making references to the player. I see. Manager. Like 12. Oh, okay. 10 PM in year 1, oh, that's so healthy. That's so healthy. Am I a student too? Oh no, I'm not. I'm no longer a student. My days as a student is over. $4 AM. Yeah, I no long. I'm done with studying. Now I work. I work part time, and then I use the rest of my time to work on games. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. I see. point X and point Y. Use the student discount? No. What am I supposed to do about this? Room width divided by 2. Or times 0.5. Same thing. But if the player exists, then I will set the spawn point of the effect to be at the player. Save money. Actually, whatever discount that applies to you in school also applies to staff members, right? Oh, this is room start, I see. Am I going to make more levels? I don't know. Maybe. Let's see how fast I get this done. This is supposed to be a really simple task, but my engine is not yet started. I'm just staring at this and not entirely coding properly. Vroom vroom. Yeah, exactly. It's I think it's a very common issue. I think every coder suffers from this, right? You take a while to get into the groove, and then you cannot be distracted. Like if someone suddenly just dropped in and how do I put it? Like if someone just pull you away from your work, and then 5 minutes later you come back to it, right? You'll be like, oh, I have to start my engine all over again. No? I don't know, it's like that for me. Non-programming modules ruin your mojo, eh? It's okay, it's good to have some balance. So when I was in NYP, I really liked the modeling. Module. I remember modeling Link. I based it on the model in Twilight Princess. Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. Okay, now please don't crash on me. Let's run this. Hey, hello, Matthew, sorry. Hello. Yeah. Oh right, I will sleep. Okay, let's see. Whee! Why did it lag? What? Why did it lag? Why does it look so crappy? That's weird. I'm gonna blame it on the stream. Ah, crap. I will sleep. I will sleep relatively soon. It's going to be a short one today. Is it just me or is it like super slow? What the hell? Yesterday you've created your first state machine for basic player movement. Nice! Nice! That's great. So the basic states like running and idle, jumping. Nice. Yeah, me too. I like GameMaker a lot. My only complaint would be that the support for mobile platforms is a bit lacking. They are quite slow when it comes to mobile. Let me try YYC. Let's see how fast it is. Cool, cool. The desktop module? Yeah, desktop module is definitely worth it, right? It's $99 and that license lasts for a lifetime. That's so good. Mobile too, right? But mobile is a bit more expensive. $299, I think. Oh, but if you want to develop for consoles, gosh, the license is suddenly way more expensive. $199. Oh, that's nice. They have discount during the holidays? Oh, nice. Right, if there's a deep discount, right, I might get the console license. Eh? That doesn't seem right. Why is the transition incomplete? That sucks. Oh, and why is it here? Why is it not from the center of the screen? Let me check. That's weird. Oh, it's because the transition is drawn. Okay. I think I need this. Display set. Wait, I've set it already. £160 for desktop and mobile both. Oh. Yeah. That's still worth it. Yeah. What's up, Hannah? I'm sorry, it's not the particularly interesting thing I'm working on. I'm being stuck at the silliest thing now. Yeah. Okay, so thanks, Lucius. How did you do controls for the Switch? For Serious Scramblers? Did they give me a dev kit? Okay, so they did not give me a dev kit. What? Okay, so here's the thing. To get on, to be able to develop on the Switch, first and foremost, you need to create a developer account on the Nintendo. Hang on, let me show you. Let me show you without logging in because I cannot show you how it looks like when it's logged in. So there's this developer.nintendo.com, right? So creating an account, clicking on register, all of that is free. But once you get an account, you'll realize that you don't actually have access to anything about Switch at all. So then comes the second step. There is a button in there, right, for you to apply to get access to Switch related documentations. So you can click on that. I do not know how it looks like in there because I applied before that button was there. So I had to email them manually. So the process was I emailed them and then they email me back and say, please pitch to us your game, right? And then they will decide whether they want my game on their system. So that's what I did. And once that process is done, right, and then comes the next part. They allow you to buy a dev kit, which has to be shipped. At least for in Singapore, right, it will be shipped from the States to here. Yeah, and that dev kit is. Wait. Yeah, I cannot say the cost of the dev kit here on stream, I think. Yeah, but it's a lot more affordable than, like 10 years ago, right? 10 years ago, dev kits can be like 20k, but this is a lot more affordable. Not that I actually bought the dev kit. Yeah, I did not buy the dev kit. I borrowed it from a developer friend. Yeah, 20k only. Yeah, so what I did is, yes, I borrowed the dev kit, and the dev kit it's just another machine, but that can only run the ROMs that you install in it, I suppose. Alright, I'm thinking to pass in total on Game Maker and for now stop to use Godot. That's fine. It's good to focus on one first, yeah. It's the same process for all consoles. The best for me is Microsoft. After you send a request, you receive a direct call. Direct call? Interesting. Interesting. That's cool. That's cool. So Hannah, if you're interested, I think I still have the pitch deck that I wrote. I can always show it to you. Yeah, the pitch deck that I wrote to when pitching to Nintendo. But I think by the time I was pitching, right, Nintendo has started to be a bit more relaxed, right, on who they let onto their system. But that was just personally, right, for my own brand. Actually, we got the developer license way before, during the first year. That was under Rotten Mage, right? We actually had a face-to-face meeting with people from Nintendo, simply because of our connections with DigiPen. Yeah, and then we got the license. But how do I put it? But we didn't put it to use because by right I mean, if we hadn't signed the porting rights to another company, right, we would have used that license to develop our own port for Space Jack. But we didn't, right? We signed the contract already. So we let the other company handle the port of Space Jack, which took 3 bloody years. Yeah. It's I'm never gonna work with them again. Yeah, it's just how it is. Yeah, fun, right? So something that I have learned is to think twice before you sign contracts. Right? Don't be naive. Right? Read through every single clause. Yeah. Right. Alright, see ya, Matthew. What if you breach the contract? What if you breach the contract? Well then, it depends. I think it depends on your contract. You can get into legal trouble, actually. Yeah, you can get into legal trouble if they want to pursue it. So just don't breach contracts. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. My transition cuts out halfway through. What the hell? PXPY. Oh, is it because I don't have a camera? Hang on. Thanks, Lucius. Yeah, signing contracts are scary, exactly. Uh, yeah, if I can't get this transition right, I'll just fix it later. I'll do other stuff first. Right, the transition is not working correctly, right? It just disappeared halfway through. What the hell? And I said to spawn in the middle of the screen, but it's spawning here. Correct what? Seems correct. Seems correct. Ah, screw this, I'll fix this later. Let's make some levels. What kind of levels should I make? I feel like I need... let me see, what is this level? I need more levels featuring a key, right? Okay, key, sure. Key. Which level is the one with... Okay, this... Let me just grab this. Duplicate. Level 16. I'll just make something simple before I sleep. Can I put a key inside a disappearing block? Yes. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Maybe I can use that. Maybe I can use that. Why can I only delete one by one? What the hell? Come on. Brushes. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Oof. So yeah, if you are ever in a position where you have to sign a contract, definitely talk to someone who knows, who has experience with contracts. Do not be like me. Okay, how do I do the key? Guess I can just make like a generic level for the keys, right? Don't have to make everything super hard. Talk to me. You probably don't want to get my advice on like contract matters. Yeah, I'm not the right person to talk to for about contracts. Yeah, I am not good at those stuff. Very good, or should I say bad experience? Yeah, nowadays I'm just a lot more cautious about who to work with. So my experience is, I mean, I'm not particularly good at this kind of stuff, right? But I guess even I can say that when you sign a contract, like, you know, regarding, you know, publishing of your game or something like that, look out for the exit clause. Look out for the exit clause. So when can, like, don't sign a contract that kind of locks your game to the third party, right? Look for the exit clause. Like if they don't fulfill certain criteria within a certain amount of time, right, you can actually pull out of the contract. So look for that. Right? So if I had paid attention to stuff like that, right, and you know when they took so long, we can say, oh, you know what, you breached the contract. Yeah. And then we could just do the port ourselves. Sign everything they give you. I mean, the thing is that the third party that we worked with, their reputation is actually pretty good. It's just that I think our project was like, compared to the stuff that they have done before, right? Our project was way bigger than the stuff that they used to work with, right? I think that was one of the reasons why it took so long, right? But at the end of the day, uh, it just feels like it makes more sense for us to do the port ourselves than to rely on a company that ended up taking 3 bloody years. Also, there's a period of time where we received an email, right? And the contact person from Nintendo was like, "Yeah, you should release soon, and you will benefit from the initial launch window, of the console, right? You benefit from like the how do I put it? Right, the first year of the console lifespan, right? That's where that it don't have a lot of games, and if you launch during that time, right, it's you have more eyeballs on your game. So if you were to launch your Switch game now, uh, it's the marketplace is a lot more saturated now, so you're not likely to make as much. That's just how it works. Yeah, but that's just how it works. Yeah. So if you were to launch a game on Steam now, right? So if you just launch it, right, without doing any promotion, chances are, right, you might face difficulty even selling 100 copies. That's how saturated the market is. That's for Steam lah. That's for Steam. Switch is better. But I think it's fast approaching market saturation as well. Just my opinion. Oh my god, I can't center this thing. What do I do? Oh wait, I can center it. There we go. Wait for the next gen. Uh, Wait for the next gen. No, I don't have that opportunity again, right? It's not like they would suddenly appear and then say, "Oh, look at you, you no name developer. I want you to make a game for my system before it's out." That's not gonna happen. Back then it was special. We managed to uh, get reached out to at a pretty early stage. Yeah, that was special. Is this okay? Maybe like that. Oh man, it's not centered. Oh wait, I can center it myself. There you go. Game. You have named Serious Scramblers and no, those are. It's not like their best-selling title. They are not, right? Especially didn't even make anything. And Serious Scramblers didn't make much on other platforms. Right, on iOS it got featured quite a bit, but it's not like it's not like I can no uh, uh stop my part-time job and be like, hey, I can go full-time indie now. No, I cannot. It's nowhere near sustainable. Yeah, so it's always difficult, right? But I think that's part of why it's fun. If it's too easy, then it's not fun. Let's see, blah blah blah. Why do I keep having this problem? No camera? What's wrong today? Why do I have this weird stuff? No camera. Unable to find camera. Let me see. Oh wait, let me just. I think it's because I didn't clean the project. Let me see again. Graduating soon. Cool, right? This is the final sem for you, yeah. That's so good. That's so good. So for you, you can either immediately go further studies or immediately go and get a job. For Lucius, you'll have to get botak first. What? What the hell is wrong with my? Why does it look so crappy? Hmm? Wait, why does the effect look like that? I didn't make any changes. Holy crap. Why does the effect look broken? Where's my sprite? Yeah, I think I'll call Lucius Stephanie from now on. Hello, Stephanie. Gosh. In case you're not following Hannah, that is how Lucius introduced himself to Guan Yu in the chat. The last time they met. Let's see. Where's my collectible, eh? I'm sorry, I feel super slow today. Super slow. Alright, it's FX is here. This one is fine. Why is my key sprite so crappy? You see, this looks fine. This looks fine. Oh, the... What? I don't understand. Did you see that? My sprite is broken. My sprite is broken. Is it this? No, can't be. Can it be? I don't know. How did that happen? Where? Which corner? Oh, this one? Oh yeah, I guess I can. But hang on, I'm just wondering why this area here, right, ended up here. I think there's something wrong with the UV maybe. Let me see. Yeah, it's broken. It's completely broken. What's going on? What's going on? Is Game Maker broken? Hang on. Let me relaunch it. What happened, Game Maker? Oh no, Game Maker is not launching. Oh wait, it is. Oh, that's weird. Last thing I was expecting is to see my sprite not displaying correctly. Such an innocent sprite. Why would it not appear correctly? Huh? Alright, this is okay. You see that? That one that's the final column is gone. What the hell, gimmick? What's going on? What's going on? I didn't do anything weird, right? Look at that. I didn't do anything weird. What? Have you? Yeah, I just turned it on, off and on again. You saw it, right? Okay, you know what? Let me edit it. Maybe I cannot have it on the edge. Oh man, come on. What is this? Let me try again. Reboot. If I'm rebooting my com, I'll go straight to sleep. Yeah, it's broken. What the? Oh, okay, you know what? Let me re-export this thing. Oh wait, I can re-import it and see if anything changed. Or is it the texture setting? Hang on. Merge pixels along the edge of the graphics to correct interpolation. No, I don't think I need this. Separate texture page. No, none of them. None of them are needed. So I guess what I can do is re-import. Import strip image. Yeah, I just restarted GameMaker. I just did. Didn't you see? Where's my work? Not one button platformer. This one. This one. Hey, no. Import again. Key FX, right? This is key FX, yeah. Okay, I forgot what's the size of this thing. Is it 24 by 24? Looks correct. 4. Yeah, looks correct. Okay, let's add another blank frame. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that regenerates the thing. Okay, it's broken. Okay, you know what? I think it's because it might be because of a certain thing I did here. Let me check. No way. No way. Oh, not here. Here. Did I do something wrong here? Yeah. This one. Surface resize. Eh? Psst. Could it be? Let me check. But why would surface resize break the thing? Okay. So I did this because I don't want the animation to look too smooth. Right? I want it to move like snap to pixel. Let me try again. Oh my god, it really is that thing. Why? I don't get why that I don't get why that broke the thing. It's okay lah. I resize it back when I get into the game. Come, I resize it back. So what I can do is camera get no view underscore port. I forgot how to get the yeah, there we go. W port, right? W port. So the cool thing, what I'm doing here, it seems a bit weird, right? But the cool thing is that the cool thing is that within the game world, you can specify, I want my, you can specify like for the game logic, right? You can say, I want this to be 180 pixel, like horizontally, and vertically 332 pixel. So then your game logic will revolve around that scale, right? Basically, that's your coordinate. That is your I suppose your world space coordinates, I suppose, right? But actually, there are actually, how do I put it? But there are actually way more subpixels, I suppose. There are actually the pixel can get a lot more dense in there. So that was actually what I'm manipulating. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it's back. I guess it's okay now. Okay. Do you have any suggestions for how I can do the visual feedback for when I collect all the keys, right? And then the door appears. What would be a good one? Because I don't like that. I don't like that. There's no indication, right? It's just that. Oh, flash the screen white. Right. Okay, I can do that. Let me try. Play a Zelda music. Easing, yeah, easing. I'll figure out how I can put easing in there. Maybe some kind of a quad. Maybe some box will just. Let me think. Actually, I'm not too sure. Have a think about it. Scale it up. Yeah. I can do that. Good one. Easing. Oh, but for this particular one, I'm not using the twinning library, so it's going to be a bit more painful. But I guess I can still do it manually. Let me do the camera flashing first. I think that the easiest one I should do first. So, door appear, this one, right? Yeah, this one. Hang on, let me see. Okay, got it. I can camera flash here. Camera flash. Alpha, let's make it light, 0.2. Duration, 0.5 a second is good enough. Let's flash it white. And this is the extension that I have written long ago. I hope it works. It should work. There we go. Simple one. Okay lah, 0.25. A little bit more. I wonder if I should buy this tool, right, that allows live reloading, so I don't have to keep recompiling every time to test one small thing. It's a bit annoying, right? It takes so long. There you go. Yeah, already seems better, right? Let me do something about the door. Hang on. Wait, where's my door? Oh my god, I don't have a door. Oh, I don't have the I don't have the raw file. Hang on. Pixel edit. Let's open it up first. Okay, and then door. Yes. Okay, let's make a separate version of the door. Like that. Separate version of the door. Oops. Like that. Restrict to tile. So I can see what I'm going to draw. Oh crap, it's not. No, it's not. It's not symmetrical. That sucks. What do I do? What time am I supposed to wake up? Not so early tomorrow, yeah, which is why I'm doing a stream. I have to wake up at around 10. Around 10, just to prepare. Is it good to have a counter to show how many keys is left? For the moment, not necessary, I think, because the levels is so small. The levels are so small. Eee, how do I do this? Okay, this will do. How about you, Hannah? What time are you supposed to wake up? Seven. 7. Sounds like a good time for your break already. Okay, let me export my door. You know what? I should save a pixel edit file of this door. And then I export the sprite. Oh yeah, export it. Let me check what is the size of the tile. 10 by 11. What a weird dimension. 10 by 11. And then back to the door. DOOR. Make sure I don't animate this thing. Let's edit the image. Throw in import strip image. 10 by 11, right? So 10 by 11, 2, 2. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how this thing will look, man. Whatever lah. Close this. Make sure it's not animating. Okay, good. Door object. So obviously, I don't have to write this actually. So the very first image index is. Okay, you know what? Just for safety. Image speed equals to 0. This will make it not animate. Then what I do is instead of saying visible equals to false, I say image index. So it's nice, right? It's very handy in GameMaker. You can just change the frame with a single line of code. Did I draw the title letters or is it generated? What do you mean? You mean the animation, is it? The animation is done procedurally in code. Using the sine curve, right? Sine function. The letters? The letters I use a font file, then type it out in Photoshop. Yeah, I bought the font for $1.50. Because I've been using the Nokia font since forever, right? I think it's time I try something else. So if not visible, or rather if, oopsie daisy. There are actually some really nice fonts that you can buy on itch.io or itch.io, however you pronounce it. I think my biggest issue, right, is how do I handle uh, non-English fonts. Oh, there you go. I feel like, oh, what? What? Okay. Image index equals 0. There you go. Yeah, the trouble is with having to handle the fonts for other languages, right? Chinese fonts, Korean fonts, and those are not small, they are huge, man, the file size. Should I animate those things? I should, right? I should animate it, right? It looks so lame. I feel like I should animate it. Or maybe I should just, not worry so much about it. It's a small project, right? Meant to be minimalistic. Don't know. It's okay. I will always have time to polish. I will always have time to polish after I'm done with more content. It is 12:05. Should I just end it here? Right, it's a short one, right? I'll just end it here. I think I should end it here. Okay, let's see. What have I done? Let's see, the recap, what have I done? Not particularly productive today. Okay, I hook up the button to the actual game level, right? I will have to look into how to I have to fix the transition. It doesn't really look that correct. Okay, after that, well, at Lucia's suggestion, I made the camera flash. Right. Also, I made the door. I don't completely hide the door. Right. I just show like a dotted outline of the door when it's not active. So hopefully that makes a little more sense during the gameplay, so it's not so confusing. But I think it still needs more, right? Like maybe some kind of action to point the player's like eye to the door itself as it appears. Yeah. Cool. I think that's it. Let me. An arrow that points to the door. Yeah, I'm thinking of that. Yeah, I'll try that. Good suggestion. Cool, mans. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out, folks. Hopefully I'll catch you again soon. And if you ever work on anything, please do share with me. I would love to check them out. Okay. Yeah. Bye. See ya. What even does that mean, right? Okay. Big brain. See ya.